We are diving into the trend that's turning the whole world pink. You know, that blockbuster hit that I think I read crushed the $1 billion mark at the box office last weekend. And it's a movement, a movie movement that has us all dreaming of Barbie.
You can find me under the lights, diamonds under my eyes.
This is the best day ever.
It is the best day ever. So is yesterday, and so is tomorrow, and every day from now until forever.
Oh, our childhood dreams came to life with our good girlfriend Barbie, and all of this Barbie buzz certainly has us reminiscing on our own girlhood, pulling out dollhouses, plastic pink pumps, and old Barbie dolls from the attic. We're not the only ones. Celeste Whitney is dolling up the old dollhouse, the Dreamhouse, with a simple and adorable DIY. She joins me to share the how-to. It's great to see you.
So good to be here.
I haven't seen the movie yet.
You don't need to see it to be excited.
I know, I'm still excited. I'm the only standing woman in America, though, I feel, that hasn't seen it. You saw it with a mutual friend of ours, and she appropriately said, I'm going to the movie with the real-life Barbie, which I thought was so on point. Compliment.
No, I'll take it, but maybe the real-life Barbie with 4 kids. The sequel. Okay.
Rumor has it you even dressed as astronaut Barbie.
I did. I may have dressed as astronaut Barbie.
To see the movie.
I mean, how can you not?
We're efforting picture proof. We'll see if we can get that over the course of this conversation. But this Barbie craze kind of inspired you creatively as well.
Yes, because even before I ever saw the show, I was bound and determined just to be reliving my childhood. Right? It made me so happy to see pink everywhere. It's just a happy color that I forgot about, you know?
I think the Barbie movie, what it brought to my mind too is like the power of a theme.
Yes.
The power of a color, and really the power of our imagination, right?
Yes.
It took us all right back.
It did.
You've created this dollhouse, this Barbie dollhouse, but in simplified form.
What happened is I rummaged through all of our old stuff that my daughter had no idea I still had, and got out the Barbies, but it's like we didn't keep the giant Barbie house.
You need a house.
You can't have the big plastic. How do you store that for future grandkids?
Yeah. High heels, they keep.
Yes.
The house
so I searched for something to buy that was compact, and there just wasn't really anything, which is always why I make anything, is because I want to buy it, and I can't find it, so I have to make it. So this is what I came up with, is like a book version of a Barbie house.
It's a book Barbie house. And I'm thinking of grandmas who may have limited space or who may not invest in the big house. This would be perfect for them.
Perfect.
We're seeing a few of the scenes, but first talk to me about the bones. How did you actually make this structure?
Okay, so I got wood, thin sheets of wood, and here, this is how it works, is it's like a book, and all it does is open into 4 bedrooms. I don't think I have.
Look at that, because Barbie doesn't need all the rooms all the time.
And I love this because I just kind of do the walls. So I just made a couple printables.
Okay.
With different wall patterns and floor patterns.
This is fantastic.
It's so fun. And like with the floor, it opens on its own, especially on like a carpet. But I wanted flooring. So I went to Home Depot and I got just sample tiles.
What?
They're like $1 or $2, I don't know, of stuff like, here's a marble, and, you know, that could be good for like the, you know, beauty shop flooring. But then the beauty of it is you flip it over.
There's grass.
So these have sticky back, the actual tiles. So I just stuck cute paper to it.
Stop it.
Isn't that so fun?
And suddenly the flooring can be swapped out on a dime.
So then there's like tile and wood patterns, and you know, you can wallpaper it.
Yes, and if the wood commitment feels too much for you. Did you cut this yourself?
I cut it myself.
She's Power Tools Barbie.
I'm weird.
She is Power Tools Barbie.
And it is kind of heavy, but I wanted it to last because I don't have grandkids quite yet.
Right.
So these ones are just foam core, and it is like light as a feather. Took me 5 minutes to make it. If all of these patterns go out of style next year, then throw it away because it only costs $1.
And you use the same metal rings to
just
attach
little metal binder rings, like a 3-ring binder.
Oh, I am just
Isn't that just so
with
fun?
Your beautiful brain.
I hot glued the paper on. I got it on cardstock.
Yeah, let's talk about the inside, the decor, if you will.
So
this is so good.
You know, get some greenery, which is so hard to find for your real house, but for your fake house, your miniaturized house, like go outside and find some weeds. Over here I have like some weeds that I got from my yard. Sorry, let me reach.
Oh,
I'm gonna reach over here.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and it looks like the cool, looks like
it totally does.
The cool big flowers.
This was just, you said scrapbook paper?
It's printable.
So you made us a printable.
I made you a printable.
You're the best.
Of a bunch of different patterns. Like,
to give us the brick background or the stone background. And where on earth did you get a little mini ottoman?
Isn't that so cute? I borrowed it.
Adorable.
I borrowed it from a cute friend.
Okay, cute friend. Thank you for the loan.
And yes, but so this way it kind of modernizes it. It's less pink plastic.
Yes.
You can kind of look on Pinterest and find whatever your dream house is and practice it. Do you know what I mean? That's what I was doing. I'm like, oh, let me pull from all of my wish I had in my living room.
It's like the clay model, the cuter version of the clay model of the home I wish I had, which is what Barbie was for all of us.
It's been so fun.
The rug.
The rug is, let me just get that. All it is like, it goes in like your cabinets.
Oh, like the contact paper.
Contact paper, but this one's like a squishier one from the dollar store. Another fun dollar store find I found right now is the pumpkins.
Oh, stop.
I know you can't say the fall word, but...
Yeah, sorry, I banned that for
Barbie
the day.
sort of can, because you can imagine tomorrow that it's spring again.
That's true.
You know, and then...
Okay, this one, though, the door?
The door I cut out.
Oh, my gosh.
Yep, and I used some on some of these inner walls. Instead of like wood for molding, I just used ribbon and glued it to it.
Okay.
So it's where you can go wild with your imagination.
Look at this.
With
And
miniatures.
what is this? What is the roofing?
That's ribbon.
Ribbon.
Isn't that fun? I just layered some ribbon that was kind of scalloped.
You're amazing.
No,
also,
it's just so fun.
You're wearing the same outfit as your Barbie.
Oh, I didn't want to point that out.
I love you so much.
My daughter was like, you didn't wear pink. And I'm like, but I still matched my Barbie.
Some moms dress like their daughters. Other moms dress like their Barbies. That's the cutest. Okay, and this scene is, oh, wait, is this the living room?
Yeah, so the thing is this right here would make one. I just took it apart.
Yes.
To show you both sides.
Yes.
So it makes 4 rooms, and then you can swap it out. You can have them spread out all over. You can have them just in one, like, thing.
Right.
But they can be businesses. You can have it be the office. It doesn't have to just be the house.
And they just
which
fold
is so fun,
out and are store beautifully.
Yes, they're more versatile than the typical one big Barbie house.
Oh, Celeste, this is fantastic. Thank you so very much. And I'm thinking of all those, you know, elaborate dollhouse makeovers that I dream of doing and know realistically will never do. This is so approachable. This is so doable.
And you can absolutely do that. Me and my return on investment might not be like, so this is like a $5 project for me. But I did go wild with dreaming about it, like, oh, if I could just buy all that Barbie furniture. But I'm like, no, stop.
Small
just use your imagination.
It's all you need. Because it is about the imagination. Oh, you're the best. Printables, as she mentioned, on our website, studio5.ksl.com for your flooring.
Flooring, wall, whatever.
All of it. We love you. We adore you.
Thank you.
Our Studio 5 Barbie, Celeste Whitney. Thank you so much.